best trimmers. While mechanical keyboards are increasingly favored for their tactile feedback and robust build, homeowners and garden enthusiasts are also turning their attention to string trimmers, essential tools for clean, professional-looking yards. In this guide, we review the best string trimmers based on power source, battery life, cutting width. List 1. Works String Trimmer Cordless GT 3.0 20-volt Power Share 12 Edger. The Works GT 3.0 cordless string trimmer offers a 2-in-1 trimming and edging solution, perfect for small to medium-sized lawns. Powered by the Works 20-volt Power Share battery, it allows you to swap the battery with other Works tools, maximizing convenience. The 12-inch cutting diameter is ideal for tight spots, and the telescopic shaft adjusts for user height and comfort. The command feed system advances the line with the push of a button. No bumping required. List number: BLACK+DECKER String Trimmer Weed Whacker with Auto Feed System. The BLACK+DECKER String Trimmer with Auto Feed makes yard work easier by automatically advancing the cutting line, so you can focus on trimming without interruption. It delivers reliable cutting power, especially around flower beds, fences, and driveways. The tool is equipped with a cord retention system to prevent disconnection during use. And its lightweight design reduces arm fatigue during extended sessions. List number: MZK 20V 12 inches cordless string trimmer and edger with 8 replacement spools. The MZK 20V cordless string trimmer offers a solid balance of performance, convenience, and value. It's lightweight, cordless, and converts easily from trimmer to edger, making it great for trimming lawn edges or cleaning up around garden beds. The 12-inch cutting diameter helps cover more ground efficiently. List number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Lithium 12-inch Trimmer Edger LST 300. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max LST 300 is a versatile, cordless trimmer that's ideal for homeowners looking for convenience and power. It features a 20V lithium-ion battery that provides extended runtime and is compatible with other BLACK+DECKER tools. The power drive transmission delivers increased torque, making it easy to tackle thicker grass. It also has an automatic feed spool AFS system that eliminates the need for bumping. List 5. 20-volt cordless string trimmer, 2.2 HA battery powered with fast charger. This 20-volt cordless string trimmer offers excellent value with a 2.2 HA battery and fast charger included, meaning less downtime and more productivity. Designed for quick swaps between trimming and edging, it delivers solid performance for small to medium yards. The adjustable handle and telescopic shaft make it ergonomic for users of all heights. A rotating head allows for precise trimming at different angles.